The series between these two. This is our final match. Since it's our last game already, it will be
Sarguna
7
JB
between Hammerman and RDR. Before we start with one, thank you for joining us. Our motivated video league season 3. We thank our venue partner in the Pokemon Billiard Sports Bar and we thank our sponsors, Mega HDR on Bodega Sale, AK Moto Club, XDR Realty Incorporated, MD Shoes and Apparel, JT's Filipino Cuisine, Emerzone Sports Lounge, CCE, Bulacan Saimada, Kenta Kogaku Food Truck, Best Cost Digital Marketing, Eastprint Clothing, Red Rock Collectibles, and JP Sports TV. No, Hammerman, RDR, skilled individuals, alam natin magiging yung mga kalidad nitong mga kapatan.
That's right. I think I've seen them play before, skilled players.
Naglaban na sila season 1. A couple more practice books before we start with this matchup. And now we're ready for this race to 7.
Kailangan na balikan, sapat.
Saka dito lagyan mo.
Lokal mo lang, wala pa lang. Wala pa lang.
Diba, ito pinabalot ng tao. Lagyan mo ng tayo ulit. Yung tao na yun. Para makita. Kasi wala na tayong sticker dito.
wala na.
Very proud of
Kagaya ng
that
ganun.
for
Kagaya mo
Hammerman
ganun.
will be the first to break.
Dapat lahat nilagyan.
Kasi kanina daw, nagpapaskwell lang tayo. Kanina yung break. The RDR winning the ladder. Siya ang unang sasarag dito sa ating laban.
Ito araw kayo po ka naman natin. 1-0. Nakauna yung awit gamer. Nakauna agad si awit guys. 1-0. 1-0 tayo guys ha. Nakauna ng awit gamer.
Our ball.
Para kay Hammerman. Buti na lang may 4 doon. Nakaharap mo dito. Malapit na masyado yung playmated sa corner pocket.
5, 6, 18 number dito.
Side.
Motivated po yung nagpapator kami. Billiard League.
Yan.
MBL. Ay, shoutout kay Boss Rendon Labador. Idol natin yan.
The corner pocket.
Race 11 lang.
Go by this aside.
That depends on where he puts the ball.
Ano siya, review mo na.
Corner pocket. But if you can see pocket as a post. To the other side for the 4.
Oh, stop rider. Salamat din pag-moderator. Ano, race 11 na po.
Extension.
11 na.
Stretch for this one. Actually make he would have too awkward. Shouldn't be too much of a problem.
No! 2-0. Lampang ng dalawa. James na out gamer.
Good opportunity.
Bitaw na gano'n.
The table.
Bigyan na ang out gamer.
Going back down. Cube.
Sakit sa ulo ng partida. Ibang bola. Ang tibay mo out gamer.
Corner pocket. Nakakaroon din 6 and 7. You don't want to touch those. Medyo okay kasi.
Regalo pag na kamaan ng dalawa.
Very clean shot now. Unfortunately,
Ayun, shoot.
pero pwede pa rin.
Shoot ang pato.
You have to be careful with the ma-foul.
Panchawan. Panchawan, no?
At pinersa ko talaga yung mga tendency na
Mas money guy, no siya.
Take 8 ball out of the equation.
Dapat ko lang laki. Jadi ano din siya, awit. Pwede wala lang. Ayaw din pumayag niya awit.
Ay, ito na alam sa mga pwede manalo.
So, 0 po score.
Great shot.
Top class mula kay RDR.
Nasa harap pa yung score. Nag-video, walo, nag-video.
Ito wala.
Yung, walang,
Pero naka-live. Okay. Dami na.
uy, patay ka.
Look at that. Corner pa.
Wala na namin. Taas pa yun, wala dito.
Sumayad yan naman. Talaga ito ang mga business.
Yeah.
Pag sumayad, pag sumayad, hindi papasok.
Oo.
Nakawit na nun.
Mabigat din ba yung
Easy win here for rack number 1.
last ball 4.
3-7 lang tayo dito.
First rack scored. May hammer back on kay RDR. Part of the game is knowing the table. Nakikita mo yung mga mitis, yung mga imposible, yung mahirap. You get to adjust your gameplay all the way. Sakto mula sa gitna yun, si Hammerman.
Walang nahulog.
Tulad na lang.
Kita yan. Guys, 3-0 guys. Basic lang na awit. 3-0 tayo guys, 3-0. Grabe yung partida, parang lumpo.
Grabe partida mo, boss. Awit game.
Parang gunting lang. Parang pilay. Parang gunting lang. Lamang si awit guys, 3-0 ang score. Race 11 lang yan.
Boss Alvin, maganda.
So there's a great chance of the Karoon 19th corner top. 1 first to 19th corner. So this is an
4-5.
for the
6-18. 4-5-6. 5 bola.
but if you get too hard,
Leave the one open now for RDR.
Bumaba na yung viewers natin na 3-0. Ayaw naman.
Ba't na tinapan?
Tinatawag po gano'n.
Ito palagay nga ulit. Pahingan. Lagay ko sa pagmula ko. Right. Sa bulso. Bulso. Pamalag-lag-lag yun.
Grabe partida. 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 5 bola ko.
Corner pocket. Same 4-3 now. Trying to get the handle to kasha pa siya sa side.
yeah, it's off the range.
Di naman gusto outsider. Di naman pinapasan. Diyan na naman ako. Pag
Ako ang marito.
Set the 3.
4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Mabigat na partida yung totoo.
Knowledge.
Sobrang bigat. Kapag marunong di siya awit.
Well, RDR.
pasikat ang isang J Visual.
Push na. Laban po. 0.
It was wide open, but at least there's still.
Ayun na, 4-0 tayo guys. 4-0 tayo guys. 4-0. Pakabalitan ni Awit kanina, siya yung 4-0 ngayon. Si JB naman.
Up table enough
On
to set it up.
is kung 4-0 race 11. Ano pero bigyan ng mga shoot. Pumasok ang pato.
Instead, mga preparasyon kahit sa punta ko siya tumikip sa
Nakatok yung iba talaga, they're more comfortable pag yung blockhead nasa table talaga eh. On the edges.
kung ways it you can back the shot to the opposite corner, pwede mong pinahakin.
Walang per game idol, wala.
Komportable. Kaya titira.
Lugi sa partida. Wala per game.
Get it. Not for the shot.
Racing,
Ilalayo niya na lang muna.
but not good enough.
Pag ganyan Doc, you want it as straight as possible. Diba? Halos magkatapat. This is a tough long shot, but makeable definitely for RDR scan.
Placing talaga. Hindi siya marunong.
Surprising miss. Now, these are the kind of shots that are like, persadong pinapasok siya. He likes the fastballs coming in.
Sure stroke.
Parang kailangan ko na siya.
Good shot.
Okay for the 9. And that's in.
Oh, stretch.
Nakisama yung ball kay Hammerman. Muntik na pero hindi nahulog. So it's 2-0 for him to start this match.
Deserving naman siya. Pinaghirapan niya yun. Pinaghirapan niya yung tira sa 8.
Pero nagpakaba ng konti yung Cube. Now gunning for a 3-0 advantage dito sa ating race to 7.
Medyo mahaba pa yun.
Our final match of our Motivated Billiard League Season 3.
Scratch.
Lost the Cube ball.
At meron rin pumasok sa
Napaka-smooth.
counted na yun.
RDR. Pinabasa ng path. How to run this table
Oh,
out.
sumabless ang
Everything is spread out. Challenge
Like
for
some,
the from the
James.
that this looks doable.
Medyo.
Ito yung preparasyon for this race.
Correct.
That's tough.
Dumiretso.
Okay.
It became difficult.
Kasi kailangan
And
niya
actually, for me,
Yeah.
he already hit a very good two-shot dahil per sa ating tira niya. Still working.
Makaka-score ng James 1.
Go just a bit lucky there.
4-1 tayo guys, 4-1. 4-1 tayo guys, nakiscore ng isang James Oksok. Ang partida, 4-6-8-10. Alam mga awit gamer guys ha, 4-1.
Pocket.
So, kailangan umiwas sa 8 at saka sa 9 itong bola yung makakita.
Enough space.
Parang shit.
table 48. This is good billiards. Dr. J from Hammerman right now.
Yeah. Ganyan naman ang billiards. When you're given the opportunity, you really have to take advantage of the moment. Kita naman na wala. Swerte ka. This is the only advantage in this game.
4 tayo guys sa 4-2. Hindi na tinira ni JB
Isa lang ang bola doon pa nag-over.
first game agad. 4-2 tayo guys, 4-2. Kumahaba ng James Wall guys ha.
Bakit ang Ponteria?
Good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Enough of distance to make it a difficult shot. Pero makeable lang.
So, the weird thing is this is a tougher shot than the one that Hammerman actually missed. Pero
4-3 tayo guys, 4-3. 4-3 tayo guys, 4-3. Pumasok ang Gis. 4-3 guys ha, 4-3. Isa na lang agad naman ng awit game. Hindi pa paig ang isang JB sa
hinayang si Hammerman because he had that rack under complete control. Ngayon, may isahan siya, mapupuntusan ni RDR. 2-1.
Yan ang score natin guys sa ang race ha.
RDR getting loose, getting more confident after every stroke. This could actually go down to the wire, Dr. J. And with the caliber of these two, kahit na magtapatan.
Walang pumasok.
With simple break pero dry break ang nangyari. So pagkakataon ni Hammer dulo. Medyo kumuha ng konting duelo rito. Fubo yung problema at the moment. She can make the one on the side.
That will launch up table ng cube ball.
Ay, nasumaplay sa doon si Awin.
Talagang hinahabol niya rin yung double intention.
It's a piece of the two, but is it pocketable?
No, not straight to the corner. Ako, danger because papuntan kayo yan.
That is hard enough to not
Pumasok ang Gis. Grabe naman. Pasikat yun, JB Soal. All 4 tayo guys, all 4. Grabe pasikat ni JB Soal na yun, no? Sinaglit lang ang, straight 4.
Nine ang hinahabol.
4 na sunod by JB Soal. Ano?
Lalayo niya naman yung dos. Nakatakam kasi daw eh, nakakita mo yung may binasa na lang. It leads you into wanting to get it with the nerve.
Pumasok ang 2. Ayan guys, nasa score, kitang-kita. All 4, race 11.
Struggling with this two ball right now.
Tinutok na.
Shot para kay Hammerman. Basta yung isa.
Hindi na basta-basta sa JB Soal, may extension na.
Corner.
All 4. Uy, sumablay. Patay ka.
The fourth challenge.
Pupush yun ang white. Buti yung mga kakailan ko din.
Pwede ng 3 na.
Ito rin, white din.
Ayun yan, ha. 5-4 guys. 5-4. 5-4 tayo guys. Lamang si Awit.
Two-way shot na to. Ayun! Sakto!
Hindi the right thing. Hindi niya pinerso. Slowly na pinapunta rin.
Good speed.
If you read that combination, very well. We say that in
Guys,
English, but all places.
5-4 lamang isang PWD. Lamang lang isa siya na, ha? Awit Gamer.
One ang ating talaan. Mas nauna lang maging komportable sa main side si Hammerman. Still breaking from the middle. He has a look at the one.
Ikaw nga, Tobo.
So, walang butas. Still table though.
Happy lang tayo. Kayo magbabasa kung saan JB.
Time to back.
Happy lang daw. Sabi ni Bulok Bata o Pintira sa Sindo. Totoo.
Hindi po, may tos eh. Sinontre. Malakas na ko.
Pag-ihiwalay niya. Many blockers out there.
Correct. Using the 40.
Should be a simple one rail kick for RDR. Look at the bottom rail. Exactly what happened.
Some page lives dito sa YouTube yan.
Pero may pasok sa corner.
Alvin Gagas Vlog.
Bottom corner.
He's angling for it.
Safety ulit. Pero mali.
Perfect.
Go.
Bilis niya rin na-recover yung monster.
The Hammerman with much. Jump cues out. But this is challenging. We want to jump cue.
Lalo na kung malapit sa rin. Check na ito.
Malakas na lang.
Shot.
Foul.
All 5 tayo guys. All 5. Next game. All 5 tayo guys ha. All 5. Magol ka. Sa'yo shoot si JB.
Napakain nga. Yan. All na all.
First time I saw
Ay, makagago guys.
very finesse type of player. Pero dito hindi naman perfect time. Little too much, pero still very good pocket on the two.
Malakas. Kay Hammerman. Makikita pa naman sa braso ng dress.
Sometimes you see him. So you see the back.
Hindi niya naman iniwan. Madali yung tira. Kay RDR. Oh, time.
Oh, nice.
For that earlier. Kaso, hindi pa binigay sa kanya. Does he see enough of it though?
but not enough to put it in. There's no hole on the side.
Short trail. Round table.
Maingat ka.
Dalawang banda, makasama.
Maingat yung bata ka.
Direct hit.
Leave the 4 on.
This should be open tape if you're careful.
Foul one.
Here.
Alam mo.
Release the table.
6-5 guys, 6-5. Foul 1 JB. 6-5 tayo guys sa 6-5. Na foul sa 4 si JB. Auto Legs. Ay na shoutout nga pala sa sobrang supporting natin tropa dyan na si Kian Tech. Kian Tech from Saudi Arabia. Grabe. Solid yan. Solid subscribers yan. Shoutout sa mga nanonood guys. Pa-share pa ng live natin guys.
And it's good for RDR. Short stroke on that 9 ball. There's one rack back here. So it's 3-2 in favor of Hammerman. It was adding race to 7.
Long match ito. Tingnan. Kasama.
Patay tayo doon pag kasali yun. Dos.
Safety idea, but too strong. Well, the problem there is still a 3D. Even if you make the 1
Ayong ano na daw, pagkadikit kayo
3 and 4, 3 and 4.
4.
Medyo madilim na yung 4 dito.
RDR has to stretch for this one, not a problem. Tough roll for RDR. Have to play defense here. Ilayo yung
Uy, sumablay.
would have preferred that it stayed behind the 6. Oh, this is definitely makeable now for RDR.
Blessing niya. Paintaw. Tinutok na. Ayan, 7.5 guys lamang si awit ng dalawa. 7.5 guys lamang si awit ng dalawa.
Good break here for Hammer.
Matibay, matibay sa awit. 4-6-18 partida. Parang hindi magiging matibay.
First mistake, matapos nun, pwede magtuloy-tuloy.
Ano yun? Boss na naman? Lahat ng susunigin natin, boss.
Good enough. Have to jump here on the part of RDR. MQ.
Iwanan niya. How much? Yung jump. Yung shot talaga to. So much fit. It's dependent on the role yung mesa. Because you will lose control of something, diba? Because of how challenging.
I guess you're a real top professional control. But even if you remember in the old days, that's not allowed. You're not allowed to jump over with shot. But because of the 9-ball boom, eventually nangyari niya na pinayari.
Players really can find an opening for this 3-ball.
Akala mo magaling tira yan. O start being able to put a lot of speed to be able to hit that.
Uy!
Half
Sumaplay sa 8. Yeah. 8-5. 8-5 guys. 8-5. Isang tira lang tapos agad ang
Wow, what a shot.
I don't feel it.
sumablay pa sa 8 sa'yo. 8-5 guys. 8-5 lamang si awit.
Nobody is good.
Simpleng tira.
We have covered half the games.
Sumablay.
Perfect.
Mintis talaga.
8-5 score. 5-8-5.
Really strong, but you can get it.
Lamang si awit. 8-5.
Hindi na kailangan masyadong pagkalawin mo kung ano. That's why it's called the hammer. Ganun ang pasok.
Pakasimpleng 8.
Finish naman ngayon. Para dyan lang yung cue ball. Tapos na 7. Ito daw kailangan mag-withdraw.
Yeah. Kasi kailangan patrasin. Patama sa banda. Good calculation. It's perfect. But it is imperfect. Still a problem with the 9 preparation. Good. Once again, in the same pocket. Just right.
Couple of inches short of it would have been a problem daw. Pero ngayon,
Or a little more.
kasi masyado magiging tuwid. So rack 6.
Survey 4-2.
Rack 6 for Hammerman. O, pagpapatuloy na ating kuligawan. Anyway, this is our final episode of your Motivated Billiard League Season 3. Our founder, Rendon Gamador, thanking our sponsors for our 3rd season at Q-Hub Billiard Sports Bar and Lounge, Negra HDR, our Bodega Sale, BBA Motors, Your Homes Incorporated, MB Shoes and Apparel, JT's Filipino Cuisine, Emerzone Sports Lounge, CCE, Mulak Ensaymada, Kentakuga Food Truck, Best Cost Digital Marketing, Eastprint Clothing, Red Rock Collectibles, JB Sports TV.
8-5 score, 8-5, hindi 7-6. 8-5 na, 8-5. Sana pa nung score. 8-5 na mga idol. 7-6 na sana.
Real first kick. Balance of English, Rabbi Harman. Hindi ko ano yung mga didiskarte dito.
Yeah, pinasing.
4, 5, 6, 8, 10.
So ball in hand. We'll never be looking at that 3-9. Also meaning TV grading. Play it straight up.
Marunong sa bando eh. Hindi marunong sa bando.
Little too strong on the 5.
Ayaw mag-isip na matino.
Yung kanyang nalandingan in preparation for that orange.
Marunong ko sa bando yan eh. Marunong.
All you can do there, just distance. Wala yung football. Kanyang preparasyon, 3 to 5. Oh, what a pocket. The shot mula dito kay RDR. But he has an equally tough 7th ball to work with here.
Counter pa yun.
Counter po.
This one, Rabbits out.
Todas. Scratch. Foul 1.
Good shot for Hammerman. Balik sa kanya. Right here with another long shot. He has shown his mastery of these types of shots.
Swablay sa dos.
Beat. Nagpapatawad. Pockets natin.
JB naman yung tinatrash talk. 9-5 guys.
9-5, warning na.
Warning na awit gamer. 9-5 guys. Lamang ng apat si Awit. Race 11 lang yan guys. Race 11.
If they're missing, hindi naman na iniiwan.
JB Sukal, laglag ang laban. Ulog pa sa practice.
Makeable now for RDR.
Perfect. Pumasok ang pato.
Might be his best opportunity to finally pocket the 7. Hindi pa kakakot siya, ay mahulog pa.
Panglumpo, panglumpo, Dan.
Where is this cue ball going? RDR not inside the pocket. 2 balls remaining in this rack.
Ay, ito, wabol ko ako.
Corner of that pocket.
Okay, di na yung
Can he clean up? Get down.
Hindi niya
Right
nakita.
there.
Hindi niya nakita siguro na wabol. Hindi gigil Hindi gigil yun.
Lakbay, lakas yung ginagawa niya, bay eh. Ay, dito, dapat medyo may...
7.
Ang ba yung ano?
Ang kanyang kalamangan. 5 racks to go against RDR.
Masakit doon, naiiwanan ko sa bukas.
Ha?
Naiiwanan ko sa bukas. Lagi yung ano. Ang dali-dali na play.
Form pa kasi, ayaw mag-practice sa maayos. Ang mga laban.
Si Hammerman, pero si RDR, ay parang makakabol sa yung mananalo sa kanilang
Ito yung lock
pagpapagbo.
niya. Kapag pa ng malakas. Dapat yung lock na reveal na.
Motivated recently, season 1. Itong seryoso na daw.
Hindi na pwede labanan ng pangit. Kasi kung tumalong ka. Dalawang beses nga siya, 5 tsaka 8. 5-8, tutok ka na dyan. Ano ba nangyari sa'yo?
6 down.
Wala.
Rest the ball of it. Nice one.
Ako local naman yun.
By Hammerman.
Huling.
Siko lang siguro kung saan bakit.
Well, you have to go down to the 4 first. Yung gusto niya eh. Pero kaso hindi tumakao.
Dahil,
Uy, gagi, natawag.
kilala mo po.
Nananatan hindi yun.
Ano siya?
Looking for the side pocket.
No, for sa
Yeah, the side pocket.
Hindi na ba siya? Puro na guys, puro na. Puro na. Sagot.
RDR.
to get back.
Puro na guys.
Ano naman
Puro na.
pwede
Puro na ang awit gamer.
the type of player who can get out?
10-5. Oh, that's guys.
Or Carol, for that matter. Mas madali yung
Ari na sa nagbigay pa ng partida. Tamas ko. Ayot din.
good control for RDR. It is right there, but you want some angle.
That's right.
Force that one out. Snap. He might have to go side pocket. And
Kung sino ni-out yan. Break yan,
Thinks
tingnan
it
mo.
just solved it and it would have been perfect.
Break yan. Sikat ang isang JB Sol.
Decisions. RDR.
Ito, wala akong ganito. Jeb! Ang ganito din. Alam mo, may ano tawag na ano?
6-0 lang. Hardware.
Hardware.
Hindi mo daw sa kumain daw.
You leave it right there. Kasi tayo ko yung mga if you were ahead,
Ano rin eh, nagchat.
Ikaw na lang
Hindi naman JB.
Shoot ang pato. Puro scratch yun. Galot beses.
Up na lang, we have our man. Passing down, yes, another beating 6 racks to 2.
At saka breaking game. But like you said, kaya nga nakaka-string up victories dito. Kasi this is naalala niya eh. Naalala niya.
Tagal niya pinaghandaan yung ganti eh, no? Lumabas yung isang season na di siya
Oh, so blessing lang pumasok.
Sakto naman ah.
Ay, bless na rin naman.
I had a nice chat with Hammer earlier.
Ang trip mo.
Nagagay na talaga. Kala ko di diretso yung 9.
Si Ricardo dito siya lang. Pagkakataon dito siya. You know, sabi mo kanina, you can swing up with kasi this is a really great.
Yeah.
Kung alternate yan, mayroon ka
That's correct. Yeah. Wala lang sa Steve, pwede na sana yung kombinasyon 2-9. Have to play the low game here for RDR.
May hardware na tinatawag.
He has the disposition to play that kind of a game.
Kalma lang.
Nakapul na rin na.
Take it shot by shot. I think that you scored. Not important because of this. Once again, one back. Balik lang yung stroke. Piazza. Magandang lovely touch on the two.
Patay ka. Bayad.
Ay, tayo guys.
Ayun guys, tapos ang laban.
Alam ko, nagbabayad.
11-5.
Gapan pa rin.
Tapos ang laban.
Gaban pa rin.
Tagasan ni JB sa Out gamer win. Congrats sa Awit. Congrats sa JB.
Guys, sa kanya dito. Gapan, gapan pati. Si Guzman yan. Dito mo siya. Sabit. Yan. Ito, sabit. Kapogi mo. Uy, sabit. Ayan, sabit. 150 guys. Gapan, may siya. Okay.